MacBook display randomly cracking for users. There have been several reports of M1 MacBook owners reporting that the display on their machines has cracked spontaneously while in normal use. It is currently unclear why this is occurring, and Apple has not yet acknowledged the problem as a result. Customers have been contacting Apple's support forums and Reddit to express their dissatisfaction with the M1 MacBook Air and MacBook Pro models they own. It was common for users to discover that their M1 MacBook's display had cracked the next time they opened it. It appears that the problem has been occurring since at least May of this year. Customers who had their displays cracked by Apple were given free replacements in some cases, but in others, they were required to pay for the repairs themselves. Apple's standard warranty does not cover any type of physical damage to a device or its components. If you have Apple Care Plus, Apple will replace the display on your M1 MacBook at no cost to you, though you will be required to pay a service fee for the replacement. It is unclear why the displays on M1 MacBooks are cracking for no apparent reason for customers, but the company is investigating the issue. You should avoid pressing directly on the screen or placing anything on top of the lid if you have an M1 MacBook or MacBook Pro, as this will prevent the display from experiencing any unwanted stress.